All right, I want to bring you a quick 6-month update on the Red Wing 3343 Copper Rough and Tough Blacksmiths. My original video, they were right out of the box, real stiff leather. These are nice and getting soft. The cork midsole is getting nicely formed to my foot. That happened after a couple months of wear. The patina setting in nicely. I've been brushing them at least after every wear, even after a couple of days if they just sit around. But I mainly wear them through the weekday. I've leather conditioned them once with some leather cream and used the actual Red Wing Neat's Foot oil blend, so I didn't want to darken it down. So I just used a really light coat, and I wanted to bring you a quick update of how they're looking, how they're breaking in. I swapped out the laces from flat black waxed laces to those leather laces, which have been working out really nice as well. So just wanted to bring you a quick visual. As always, thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. See you on the next one.